In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know how to quickly fix sideways or upside-down pages and save a correctly oriented copy to your computer using the built-in print view. This method is simple, reliable, and doesn't change your original file in Drive. First, open your PDF inside Google Drive. From your Drive, locate the file and open it so you're viewing it in the built-in PDF viewer. Give it a moment to load. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of the viewer. Next, click the print icon. It looks like a small printer and sits in the top right area of the viewer. Clicking it opens the print view in a new browser tab. Don't worry, you're not actually printing yet. This print view is where Google gives you tools to adjust the orientation just for output, which is exactly what we need. In the print view, use the rotate buttons in the toolbar to turn the page clockwise or counterclockwise. Tap the rotate controls until the page is right side up. Take a quick look through your document to confirm everything appears the way you want. If your PDF has multiple pages, repeat the rotation as needed so each page is correctly oriented in the preview. The goal is to make the preview match how you want the finished PDF to look when you save it. When you're satisfied with the rotation, click the download button at the top right of the print view. This tells Google Drive to generate a new PDF using the orientation you just set. Your browser will prompt you to save the file to your computer. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider giving the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. The original PDF in your drive stays unchanged, and this new file is the correctly rotated copy. A quick tip: if all you need is a temporary fix to read the document on screen, rotating in this print view is enough for the session. But to keep the changes, always use the download button so you have a permanent, rotated copy saved locally. If you don't see the print icon at first, try maximizing your browser window or hovering near the top of the viewer. And if the rotate buttons aren't visible in the print view, look for left and right arrow-style icons on the toolbar. That's it. Open the PDF, click Print to open the print view, rotate until it's right, and download the corrected copy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly rotated PDFs.